Festool continues to push innovation forward with a powerful lineup of new tools designed for professionals, contractors, and serious DIY enthusiasts. From advanced cordless saws and precision routers to game-changing sanding solutions, these tools are built to improve efficiency, accuracy, and comfort on every job site. Here are 15 new Festool tools making waves in 2026. The PSC E18 cordless jigsaw showcases Festool's commitment to precision cutting and cordless freedom. Designed for professional carpenters, cabinet makers, and remodelers, this jigsaw combines powerful battery performance with exceptional control. Its brushless motor delivers smooth and consistent cutting through wood, plastics, and various construction materials. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use, while the robust guide system helps maintain accurate cuts even on demanding projects. Tool-free blade changes allow users to switch quickly between tasks, increasing productivity on the job site. With excellent visibility of the cutting line and reduced vibration, the PSC E18 offers a comfortable user experience and professional-grade results. Whether you're cutting curves, intricate shapes, or straight lines, this cordless jigsaw provides the versatility and reliability professionals expect from Festool. The Planex LHS 2M cordless drywall sander brings unmatched convenience to drywall finishing projects. Eliminating the limitations of power cords, this long-reach sander allows professionals to work efficiently on walls and ceilings with greater mobility. Its lightweight design reduces user fatigue, while the balanced construction provides excellent handling during extended use. Combined with dust extraction systems, it helps maintain a cleaner and healthier work environment. Its long reach minimizes the need for ladders and scaffolding, improving safety and productivity. Its powerful sanding performance ensures smooth, professional-quality surfaces ready for painting or finishing. Ideal for drywall contractors and renovation professionals, the Planex LHS 2M offers a practical solution that enhances both comfort and overall job site performance. The TSC 55 KS Cordless Plunge Saw is engineered for professionals who demand precision, portability, and power. This cordless plunge saw delivers clean, splinter-free cuts across a wide range of materials, making it ideal for cabinetry, flooring, and finish carpentry applications. Its advanced battery system provides strong performance without sacrificing cutting accuracy. The saw integrates seamlessly with guide rails, helping users achieve perfectly straight cuts every time. A compact and lightweight design improves maneuverability, while the efficient motor maintains cutting speed under load. Dust collection compatibility enhances visibility and keeps workspaces cleaner. Whether you're making long rip cuts, cross cuts, or precise plunge cuts, the TSC 55 KS offers exceptional reliability and craftsmanship. It is a valuable addition for professionals seeking workshop-level precision directly on the job site. The TG-LHS 225 carrying harness is designed to improve comfort and reduce strain when operating long-reach sanding equipment. Built specifically for demanding drywall and finishing applications, this harness helps distribute weight more evenly across the body, minimizing fatigue during extended work sessions. The ergonomic support system allows users to maintain better control while working on ceilings and tall walls. Adjustable straps ensure a customized fit for different body types and working preferences. By reducing physical stress, the harness enables professionals to work longer with greater efficiency and precision. It complements Festool's sanding systems perfectly and contributes to improved productivity on large projects. For contractors who spend hours sanding overhead surfaces, the TG-LHS 225 provides a practical solution that enhances both comfort and overall job site performance. The DTSC 200 Cordless Delta Sander is designed for detailed sanding applications where precision is essential. Its triangular sanding pad allows users to reach corners, edges, and tight spaces that are difficult to access with traditional sanders. Powered by Festool's cordless platform, it offers outstanding mobility and convenience without sacrificing performance. The lightweight design improves control, making it ideal for furniture restoration, finish carpentry, and detailed woodworking projects. Low vibration operation enhances user comfort, while efficient dust extraction helps maintain a cleaner workspace. The powerful motor ensures consistent material removal for smooth and professional finishes. Whether preparing surfaces for paint, refining intricate woodwork, or sanding difficult areas, the DTSC 200 delivers excellent results. It is a versatile tool that combines precision, comfort, and cordless freedom. The PSC-E18 Cordless Reciprocating Saw is built for demanding demolition, renovation, and construction work where power and durability matter most. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, this saw delivers fast cutting speeds through wood, metal, plastic, and composite materials. Its cordless design provides unrestricted movement around the job site, making it ideal for cutting in tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. The ergonomic grip helps improve control while reducing fatigue during extended operation. Tool-free blade changes allow users to switch accessories quickly, minimizing downtime. Advanced vibration control technology enhances comfort and precision, especially during heavy-duty cutting tasks. Whether you're removing old framing, trimming pipes, or handling demolition projects, the PSC-E18 offers the reliability and performance professionals need. It is a versatile solution for contractors who require powerful cutting capability without the limitations of cords. The CSC SYS 50 Cordless Table Saw brings workshop-level accuracy to a portable and compact platform. Designed for finish carpenters, installers, and contractors, this innovative saw combines precision cutting performance with cordless convenience. Despite its size, it delivers impressive cutting capacity and excellent repeatability for professional results. The portable design allows easy transportation between job sites while maintaining the accuracy users expect from a stationary table saw. Adjustable cutting settings make it suitable for various woodworking applications, including trim work, cabinetry, and flooring installation. Its powerful battery system ensures consistent performance throughout demanding projects. Environmental-friendly dust extraction helps maintain a cleaner workspace. Whether making rip cuts, cross cuts, or detailed finishing cuts, the CSC SYS 50 provides exceptional versatility. It's an ideal solution for professionals seeking precision, mobility, and efficiency in a single package. The RG130 Diamond Grinder is engineered for aggressive material removal and surface preparation applications. Designed for concrete professionals and renovation contractors, this grinder efficiently removes coatings, adhesives, paint, and surface imperfections. Its powerful motor provides consistent grinding performance across demanding job sites. The ergonomic design helps maintain control while reducing user fatigue during prolonged use. When paired with dust extraction systems, the RG130 significantly reduces airborne dust, contributing to a cleaner and safer work environment. Adjustable settings allow users to tailor performance for different materials and applications. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability even under tough working conditions. Whether preparing floors for new coatings, removing old adhesives, or smoothing concrete surfaces, the RG130 delivers professional-grade results. It is an essential tool for contractors who require efficient and dependable surface preparation equipment. The Multifunction Table MFT3 remains one of Festool's most versatile workstation solutions for woodworking professionals. Designed to improve precision, organization, and efficiency, this table serves as a portable work surface for cutting, clamping, assembly, and finishing tasks. Its integrated guide rail compatibility helps users achieve highly accurate cuts when paired with Festool's saw systems. The perforated tabletop design allows flexible clamping options, making it suitable for a wide variety of projects. Lightweight yet durable construction ensures easy transportation between workshops and job sites. The ergonomic working height contributes to improved comfort during extended tasks. Whether building cabinets, assembling furniture, or completing installation work, the MFT3 provides a stable and reliable platform that enhances productivity. It remains a favorite among professionals who value precision, flexibility, and workflow efficiency in their daily operations. The ExoActive EXO-18 Exoskeleton represents one of Festool's most innovative solutions for reducing physical strain on workers. Designed to support the arms and upper body during overhead and repetitive tasks, this wearable system helps improve comfort and endurance throughout the workday. Powered by advanced technology, it provides active assistance when lifting tools in elevated positions. This reduces fatigue and helps professionals maintain productivity for longer periods. Adjustable support levels allow users to customize assistance according to the task at hand. The lightweight design ensures freedom of movement while providing meaningful ergonomic benefits. Ideal for drywall installation, sanding, painting, and overhead construction work, the EXO-18 promotes healthier working conditions. It demonstrates how modern technology can enhance worker performance while reducing the physical demands associated with challenging job site tasks. The ETSC 125 Cordless Eccentric Sander is designed to deliver exceptional surface quality while maintaining the convenience of cordless operation. Built for professional woodworkers, painters, and finish carpenters, this random orbital sander combines power, precision, and comfort in a compact package. Its lightweight construction allows for easy handling during overhead and vertical sanding applications. The advanced motor system provides consistent performance, ensuring smooth and swirl-free finishes on a variety of materials. Efficient dust extraction helps keep the work area clean and improves visibility during detailed sanding tasks. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue and increases control, making it ideal for long working sessions. Whether preparing surfaces for finishing, removing imperfections, or achieving a final polished look, the ETSC 125 delivers professional quality results that meet the high standards expected from Festool tools. The MB40 mobile drilling attachment transforms handheld drilling into a more accurate and controlled operation. Designed for professionals who require precise hole placement, this portable drilling guide offers improved stability and repeatable results. Its compact design makes it easy to transport and use on job sites where traditional drill presses are impractical. The robust construction ensures durability while maintaining smooth and accurate drilling performance. Adjustable settings allow users to work with various materials and drilling angles, increasing versatility across projects. Whether installing hardware, building furniture, or performing detailed woodworking tasks, the MB40 mobile drilling attachment helps achieve cleaner and more precise results. For tradespeople seeking greater drilling accuracy without sacrificing mobility, the MB40 mobile drilling attachment is an excellent addition to their toolkit. The KHC 18 EB Basic Rotary Hammer Drill is engineered to handle demanding drilling and fastening applications in concrete, masonry, and other tough materials. Combining cordless freedom with powerful performance, this rotary hammer is ideal for electricians, plumbers, installers, and construction professionals. Its efficient brushless motor delivers strong impact energy while maintaining excellent battery runtime. Multiple operating modes provide flexibility for drilling, hammer drilling, and light chiseling tasks. The compact design improves maneuverability in confined workspaces, while the ergonomic handle enhances comfort and control. Advanced vibration reduction technology helps reduce operator fatigue during prolonged use. Whether installing anchors, drilling through concrete walls, or completing renovation projects, the KS-E18 delivers dependable performance and professional-grade results. It is a versatile solution designed to meet the challenges of modern construction environments. The OFKC 500 cordless edge router is designed for precise edge finishing and trimming applications. Perfect for cabinet makers, furniture builders, and finish carpenters, this compact router delivers exceptional control and accuracy. Its cordless platform provides unrestricted movement around the workshop or job site, eliminating the inconvenience of power cords. The lightweight design improves maneuverability, allowing users to work comfortably on detailed edge profiles and laminate trimming tasks. Precision adjustment features ensure consistent cutting depth and high-quality results. The powerful motor maintains smooth performance even during demanding applications. Excellent visibility around the cutting area enhances accuracy and user confidence. Whether creating decorative edges, trimming veneers, or performing finish work, the OFKC 500 offers a professional solution for detailed routing tasks. It combines portability, precision, and reliability into a tool built for demanding craftsmanship. The MFKC 700KA Cordless Module Edge Router expands routing capabilities with a versatile modular design that adapts to various woodworking applications. Designed for professionals who demand flexibility and precision, this cordless router provides excellent performance for edge banding, trimming, profiling, and finishing work. Its interchangeable modules allow users to customize the tool according to specific project requirements. The cordless platform ensures maximum mobility while maintaining the power necessary for demanding routing tasks. Fine adjustment controls enable highly accurate cuts and consistent results. Ergonomic handling improves comfort and reduces fatigue during extended use. The router's durable construction ensures long-term reliability in professional environments. Whether working in a workshop or on a job site, the MFKC 700KA delivers the versatility and precision needed to achieve outstanding woodworking results. Festool's 2026 lineup proves that innovation never stops. From powerful cordless saws and advanced sanders to groundbreaking solutions like the EXO-18 Exoskeleton, these tools are designed to help professionals work faster, smarter, and more comfortably. Which Festool tool impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tool reviews and industry updates.